All right, so I recently bought the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the white, black colorway, or the Orca, or the white bread, or the pandas, or whatever you want to call them. But I thought this was a really solid colorway to customize, so I wanted to give it a try. I did two different colors that you'll see in this video. The first thing that you have to do when you're customizing is just use some acetone and remove the top layer. Basically, there is a finishing layer on the shoe to kind of maintain the color. You have to basically just spread this on a little bit. And once you get this done, it should leave the finish just a little bit sticky, and then you can move on to the next part. So next up, you have to get your Angelus paint. I chose a couple different colors that I personally liked. I'll link them in the description if you guys are interested in seeing all of their collection of colors, because honestly, sky's the limit. You can really make this a fun custom and make it tailored to you and your specific sports teams or whatever your favorite hobbies or colors are. But once you shake it up, you can start applying, and I kind of did this raw dog style. So I basically just started applying it directly. I did not tape anything off. You can tape things off if you're not comfortable painting, but I figured I would just go ahead and do this. Now, I didn't do all of the edges for those people that want all of the edge work done. Yes, I know the edges are white, but I didn't want to go ahead. I have two 4-month-old puppies running around now, those pugs, and then I also have the kids as well. So I was like trying to do this in the middle of being a dad. Didn't really work very well. Anyway, here's a time lapse of that. All right, for the second colorway, I decided to use this salmon color from Angelus Paint. I thought this would be a nice one to do on an Air Jordan 1. Kind of reminded me of like the Art Basel sort of vibe from back in the day. But this is a pretty fun colorway, and I thought that the combination of these two would actually look pretty good as well. So I'll show you guys the time lapse of this and then give you guys the results right after that. All right, so here's a final look at the product, and I gotta say, I actually really like the overall look of what I created. Just a side note, I also did hit these with a finisher spray. I'll link that in the description if you guys are interested in seeing what I used. But basically, it was really easy to customize. Honestly, I did it in one day. Finished up the project, put the kids to bed, and the next day they were wearable. I like the color combination as well. My son Harrison actually called these the cotton candy colorway because obviously the blue and the pink, and I actually really dig it. My initial impression of these, I think, look really good. I do wish that I took a little bit more time on some of the parts. Also had a couple little errors here and there, but honestly, I'm just trying to do this video to show you guys the potential of what you can create with the baseline model of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the white and black colorway. Sky's the limit. You can really create lots and lots of awesome things. This is just what I chose to do. If you guys are interested in buying a pair of the Air Jordan 1s, I'll link them in the description. It'll take you directly to Nike. You can buy your own pair. And if they go under retail, I will definitely be posting them over on my website, Collective Kicks, as well as on Twitter and Instagram and whatnot. But leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about the final results. Obviously, some people aren't going to like them. Just in general, some people don't like customs, and that's totally fine. I thought it would be fun just to create my own thing. And my kids like the design, the colorways. I actually really like the colorway as well. And if I didn't like one of them, honestly, I was just going to buy a second pair anyway, and then I can match the blues and match the pinks, so then I can have one solid colored pair of each of the ones I ended up creating. But I really enjoyed the process of trying to create something, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and thank you again for watching. All right, peace guys.